What's happening, my people? So another ugly day in the boot. Shit, I was hoping to finish my bike today. I was waiting on my air filter to come in. He didn't come. So want to make this video for the page. And got some Lebron Zoom Generation 1. And they were in decent shape. And I didn't know what I was going to do with them. Like I wanted to kind of restore them. But they weren't that bad. But I failed to film it. But I did wind up, all I had to do was really paint the tip. So I was waiting on my paint to come in. Paint came in. I painted the tip, but the new paint, it was more vibrant than that old paint. So I wound up painting the whole shoe and stuff. But I didn't film it. But I want y'all to see like the after effects. And I'm going to show y'all what I used on the shoe. Like first off, I got some of this. So I cleaned it with the Jason Bark. To mess around with that. Then I had some more acrylic leather paint. I probably should have got the flat. I think that's why it came out like brighter than the other one, because it was the acrylic leather paint. And then I hit it with the matte acrylic finisher. So that was my process, and this is the final result of the shoe. And they came out all right. They came out well. In y'all opinion, y'all let me know how they came out. And like the toe, couldn't really do too much about that. But like I ironed a little bit like on the sides and right here. I tried to iron the top, but it just wasn't happening. But I painted all. This is what I painted. I painted all this right here. I left the tongue alone. I left this alone and that, but the top, all this is what I painted. I didn't tape it off or anything. I just freehanded. And so this is the bad shoe. This is the one that I really needed to do. And the toe was ate up, so it didn't come out even. Like I tried to like scrub it a little bit and try to get like that excess off, but I couldn't really get that excess like before I painted it. But it was rough. It was like jagged pieces, and I tried to smooth it out as much as I could before I painted it, but it just wasn't happening. And I was thinking like maybe when I painted, put some coats, it probably would have smoothed out, but it didn't really smooth too much. But this is what happened afterwards. And I gave it a little bit more form. Like the shoe was more jacked up right here. But I put like a towel in the shoe tree in it, like to kind of push it up a little bit, so it helped the form out a little bit, because it was kind of like flat. It was like real flat and bad looking, but now it kind of has a little form to it. And the left shoe, didn't have. It sounds like a lot. Left shoe didn't have a insole, and what I did with that, I had an old pair of Kyrie's that I don't wear, so I was gonna order some insoles, but I just took the left Kyrie insole out and put it in here, so I don't feel too much difference. And this is the first time that I wore them. I wore them to come step outside, but I'm gonna do it on foot and see what they look like on foot now, and that'll be it. I'll let you go. On the break of dawn. On the break of dawn. So that's the shoe, and y'all let me know in the comment section, do you think that they shook back generously? I'm gonna link the old video so y'all can watch the first one, like see the differences or whatever. I'm not really gonna edit it on here, like just watch the whole video and see if you think they changed or whatever. But I think they came out pretty good. And to say it's an old shoe, It's real comfortable. And this is like a 15-year-old shoe. And the structure of it is pretty good. Like, it doesn't feel like the sole is gonna fall off or anything. Like, either somebody kept the shoe up or the designers did a good job on the shoe. Like, it feels structurally good, and the comfort it's very comfortable for an old ass shoe. And one of these days I do plan on getting the new ones. I wonder how those feel. They look like they would be maybe a little stiffer, because the leather isn't. This leather is like super broken, like 15 years worth of breakage. So the leather is real soft. It's just like kind of flimsy, but the paint hardened it a little bit. But I would like to get the new ones at some pernt from Louisiana. Gotta put some Le Country in there, yeah, boy. So that I don't really have nothing on the horizon. I was about to get a pair of ponies the other day on Sneaker Steel. I don't think it was no Sneaker Steel, but I went to another link from Sneaker Steel, and on their site, like Finish Line or something, and they had some ponies for $11 and free shipping. I was thinking of getting that just for the hell of it, but I'm like, I don't really like ponies. I don't know. I still, man, $11. You can't beat that. But holla at your boy, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest. I'm gonna tell you. Peace out.